It's September 4th, 2021. You can see the grape hyacinth has started to sprout. And the calla lily is dying back slowly. Lavender still flowering, and the bees are still visiting the lavender flowers. The raspberry is still producing more fruit. Here you can see another one ready to be harvested. And here's another one. And here's a few more. Some new flowers are forming on the newer canes of the raspberry. The grape is finally recovering. You can see some new growth forming around the nodes. Let's take a look at all the orchid flowers again. This is one of the lady slipper orchid flower. Here's the unknown orchid flowers. Still need to look up the name. Here's another lady slipper orchid flower. Here's the mini oncidium. This one is really branching out now. And the Phalaenopsis flowers are going to open pretty soon. There are actually two more flower stalks forming from this mini oncidium. Here's one, and then one on the other side, right here. That new cluster of flowers from Hoya have started to open. Here you can see a few flowers that have opened already. Let's take a look at the new growth from all the Hoya plants. This one over here is getting longer, and this white one is getting super long. And the sweetheart variety of Hoya is also getting very long. And also there's this weird growth on this node. Not too sure what that is yet, but yeah, the new growth is getting super long. The fiddle leaf fig is also sending out new growth. The arrowhead plant is looking very nice. And the roots are also looking very healthy. The staghorn fern is also looking great. This newest shield frond is getting bigger, as you can see. And the older shield frond is turning brown. It's pretty cool. You can see it's turning brown sort of like bits by bit in those little areas.